If you want to use a video toolbox on a Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, first of all, of course, we need to make sure that video toolbox is enabled. So we're gonna go to settings, scroll down in here to find additional settings, then in here open floating windows, then go to site toolbox, and of course we need to make sure that video toolbox is enabled over here. Now after that, we need to open a video. So let's say I'm gonna use YouTube as an example. There we go. And let's say I'm gonna just quickly open this video over here. And now, if I go to the site toolbox, as you can see, we have the video toolbox feature and different options like the recording. We can start recording, we can take a screenshot, we can cast, and so on and so forth. We also have the theater mode, Dolby Atmos. We can choose a different style, we can upscale, of course, and so on and so forth. And that is pretty much it. We can also tap on the setting icon in order to go back to the site toolbox settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.